Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Sign into your Google or Apple account from a different device and open Find My or Find My device. Once done, activate Lost Mode or mark as lost to lock the screen and show a contact message. This prevents misuse. Make sure to start location tracking so you can see the phone's last known coordinates. Also note the IMEI or serial number and the exact time you realized it was gone. You'll need those for law enforcement and carrier reports. Next, cut access to your accounts. Change passwords for your email, banking, and social apps so the thief can't open them. Once done, revoke app authorizations and remove stored cards from digital wallets to stop charges. Make sure to check two-factor authentication devices and update codes if your phone was a second factor. Then contact your mobile carrier, request a temporary suspension, and ask them to blacklist the IMEI so the device cannot be used on networks. If the phone isn't recoverable, escalate. File a police report including the IMEI, last known location, and time lost so there's an official record. Once you decide recovery is unlikely, perform a remote factory erase to remove personal data. Be aware this stops further location tracking. After erasing, confirm the carrier has blacklisted the device and monitor your accounts and credit for suspicious activity. If problems arise, contact providers and law enforcement immediately for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.